Getting money from all angles. I ban you quick. Talk shit about a nigga, dog. Your ass will get hit. Y'all niggas ain't shit. I stay with the blick, chromed out. Nigga, I live in a big house. Y'all niggas is in retirement homes now. You just started balling. Talking about you getting money, nigga. You on your last. Talk shit about me, knock your head off your shoulders, nigga, and I'm digging in your ass. You don't want none of this, dog. I'm getting cash fast. Y'all niggas is pussy. Y'all niggas a thing of the past. Don't fuck with a nigga like me. A nigga like me will do you dirty real quick, no matter where you coming from. Fucking England or Egypt, nigga. I don't give a fuck how y'all niggas get down. Y'all niggas is pussy. Y'all niggas is clowns. I'm a bloodhound, nigga. I bite through anything. I do anything for anybody as long as the money good. I make my metal ring. Y'all ain't ready for none of that. I bust all of that. Can't fuck with me. I run the game over. Had them pussy niggas calling back. I'm black and I'm brown and I look good as hell. So shit, and you know who it is. And we doing well. Ain't nobody rocking with us. Niggas can't stop. You know, popping with us, it get clapped up. Can't fuck with a nigga like me. All I do is get drip. So shit about a nigga running through your ass. This is Hoover Crip. Young HollyWood Hoover. This fuck with me, you get run through by the Hoover Crips. Young HollyWood Hoover Crip freestyle 1.